Discover Puravive, the 100% natural solution for a healthier, energized life. This all-natural dietary blend is designed to address low energy and immunity, offering powerful benefits such as complete detoxification and restored vitality. With zero side effects, no addictive substances, and absolutely no artificial additives, flavors, or allergens, you can confidently make it a part of your daily routine. What sets Puravive apart? 100% natural formula. Puravive is an all-natural dietary blend, ensuring safety and purity in its ingredients. Zero side effects. The product promises no adverse effects, making it a safer choice for daily consumption. Complete detoxification. Puravive aids in detoxifying the body, contributing to overall health and vitality. Easy to use. The supplement requires just 2 pills a day with water, simplifying its incorporation into daily routines. No lifestyle overhaul needed. Puravive works without the need for major dietary changes or extensive exercise regimes. Clinically backed ingredients. The product contains a proprietary blend of 8 powerful tropical nutrients and plants, all backed by scientific research. Manufactured in the USA. Ensuring high quality, the product is made in the USA with the finest foreign and domestic ingredients. Scientific discovery based. The formula is based on recent scientific findings regarding belly fat and weight loss. Don't wait for change, make it happen. Transform your health today. Click the link below this video to get Puravive now and step into a life of vitality and wellness.